a dangerous plan and it probably include one of your family members.
Me and brother, though?
Yeah, man.
Alright. I know say me not have the best relationship, you know. But here what I go on, you know. I'm not going to put your life in no danger, you know.
Somebody have to take a fall for it.
Bossy, when you say take a fall, what do you mean?
Somebody have to go to jail, prison.
You know, say there's only one solution for this though. We have to take him out.
You get somebody to start the thing?
Yeah, man, I get somebody to take a fall.
To take a fall?
Yeah.
So who's a 4-4?
You know, say I'm a brother, bossy.
You know, innocent little brother. Innocent.
Brother, everybody said that, man. You're not innocent, man. What make you there, so?
You never tell us still, but I'm a brother woman there.
The Bible says the arm of flesh would fail you. Dare not trust your own youth.
What make you handle? Make you possibly offer your work, you see me? But you know my thing come down already, you see it?
If I want to work, man, I pick it, man.
I'm going to deal with a commission from the boss and it's like $3 million missing.
So where's the 3 million?
You know what, the money?
The purse out there in the car. You love money, so you use money in here?
Andre, my fiancé who works here, right?
Yes.
I need you to dismiss him from his job. No questions asked.
And in first, I go up on film and go and go and read or something. And police has told me.
You never tell nobody else about this.
I don't tell nobody.
We, the company, fall under some difficulties and we had to let go some people. Unfortunately, you were part of the set that we had to let go.
No, so your brother do there with your woman.
What you say?
Your brother there with your woman officially right now.
Oh my God, you have no idea how excited I am that that man is in jail.